I've just discovered the fastest way to grow on YouTube without ever showing your face. Right now is the perfect time to jump on this. It's like digital magic. Some faceless channels are earning between $100,000 to $250,000 per month just by uploading short videos. And yes, we all know YouTube Shorts don't usually pay much. But even with lower ad rates, some creators are still making $30,000 to $75,000 a month. Sounds unreal? Just wait, it gets better. In this video, I'm revealing a simple trick that can 10x your Shorts revenue. You heard that right, 10 times more income. It's easy to apply and incredibly powerful. I've tested it myself on one of my channels, and I'll share the results in an upcoming video. Spoiler alert, it works. And I'm not just dropping a secret and leaving you hanging. I'll walk you step by step, from zero to viral, from scriptwriting to editing. Even if you've got zero editing experience, you'll be able to create engaging, high-performing shorts fast. Let's get started. First, find inspiration. Look at a successful channel in your niche and take note of their viral videos. Screenshots are great for identifying patterns and high-performing topics. Now head over to ChatGPT and give it a detailed prompt. For example, give me 10 viral YouTube Shorts ideas similar to this. In seconds, you'll have a list of content ideas tailored to your niche. Next, let's bring those ideas to life using Canva Image Generator. Set the canvas size to 9:16, the standard for YouTube Shorts. Paste each idea from ChatGPT into Canva and generate custom, high-quality images. Download and save all the visuals for your video. Now, use Hailuo AI to turn those images into dynamic videos. Upload your images, make any tweaks, like lighting or color, and Hailuo AI will handle the rest. Once your video is generated, download it. Music is crucial for engagement. Head over to pixabay.com and search for royalty-free tracks that match your video's mood. Download your chosen song and save it for the final edit. Time to polish everything in CapCut. Start a new project and upload all your video clips. Arrange the clips in a logical flow. Make sure the story makes sense. Crop out any unwanted logos or text. Add smooth transitions and slash out animations and effects that match your video's tone. Soft for nature, bold for emotional content. Drop in your music, cut out any irrelevant parts, and sync high-energy sections with visual peaks. Adjust volume and use fade-in/fade out for a pro finish. Before exporting, preview the full video to make sure everything looks smooth and professional. Then hit export and save in the highest quality possible. And there you have it, a completely faceless, professional YouTube Shorts video, ready to go viral. If you found this valuable, give it a like, subscribe for more automation tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. And I'll see you in the next one.